Next, we're going to jump into the draw toolbar. Okay, so if you see over here, this is my draw toolbar. So whenever you want to draw anything, you can just initialize them by just drawing a line, construction line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, spline, ellipse, and hatching. We will discuss hatching. How can you do hatching? Gradient, and you can create tables, and at the end we will see how can you deal with the taxes. Okay, so let's start from the point. Okay, for example, I just want to draw a point. How can you do that? Enter PO. See, the points that you're going to draw is really very small. Okay, so how can you change the point style? You can come to format, and from here you will come to point style. Let me choose this one for now. See, the point style is automatically changed. Again, if you enter PO and you just draw a point, so it would be draw like this. Next we have the line. Either you can select the line from here, or you can just press L, enter. See, we have different kinds of lines. We have a free lines. Now it's octagonal. If you want to have a free line, just press F8. See, we have another kind of line that is known as the multi-line. Now enter ML. See, so a couple of lines will be drawn with you people. Next thing is the polyline. It's the same like a line, but if for example I just only draw a line and now I just select, so it's a separate entity. But whenever you deal with the polyline, so that is not a separate entities, that is a combination. So for that I will just select PL, enter. See, so if for example I just select this, so the whole body will be selected. Next thing you have to remember, if for example I select any of the object and now I select this green check, when it's become red, so now you can just drag it up to here. See, next thing is polygon. How can you draw a polygon? Polygon is the one which have greater size, So now to draw a polygon, either you can select polygon from here by selecting the polygon symbol, or you can just enter the shortcut key POL, enter. Now if you look it over here, so it asks me how much number you want to enter. I just like 6, enter. Now I will specify the centers. You want to inscribe or circumscribe, I want to press I. And now you have to specify the radius, or enter 5. Z, enter, E, enter, or to refit your drawing. Next type of line we have the construction line. For that we have a shortcut key that is XL, enter, and this time if you need the vertical, so you can just enter V. You can just draw multiple lines, but these are the construction lines. The same thing, if for example we need to have the horizontal construction line. For that I will just enter XL, enter, and now I need horizontal, so I will enter H. See, press escape to get outside of the command. Now the next thing, if for example I need the same construction line, but that must be the angle. So press XL enter. Rather than to enter V or H, this time I will select A enter. And now let me assign the angle 45. See? You can change the angle. XL enter, A enter, and this time I'll select 60. See? Now it will be drawn at a 60-degree angle. Next, for example, if you want to draw a circle, what you can do, just you will enter C. Now, if you didn't press the escape key, so still you are in the same command. Just press enter. Again, press enter, and you can just draw multiple circles. The next thing is the arc. If, for example, you want to draw an arc, press A enter. Now see? Again, press enter, and this time let me keep it like this. For example, I just draw a rectangle, and this time I need an arc like this. Ellipse doesn't have any of the shortcut keys, so you have to enter the complete spelling. That takes more time, so for that we will just click on the ellipse. See, you can just draw ellipse like this. Now the next thing, that is about the hatching. Why we do hatching? Because sometimes we do the cross sections of any of the object to show that, or sometimes in the civil engineers use for the concretion. Okay, they use concrete, so to show the concrete portions here or the concretes, or sometimes you have to show the cross section. For that we do hatching. If, for example, I just draw a rectangle, okay, I just want to hatch this portion. What I can do, I will just enter BH, okay, and now I'll just add pick point, and here I will just select the criteria, the one that you have, and let's change the color green for now and say okay. Okay, and if you does something wrong, again you can just enter. Okay, and if, for example, if you don't like the green color, you can just make change, and you can just select red color for now. Okay, you can just change the color from here as well. See? Now the next thing is about the gradient. If, for example, I just draw a circle and I want to fill them entirely with a red color, for that I will come to gradient, and here let me select one color, and that is like this, and let me add pick point. Okay, now see? Hopefully you understand. Next, if, for example, sometimes you need to create a table. For that, what you can do, you can just click on the table. Such kind of menu will pop up with you. Let me create a column 4. Let me click on the table, column 4, column width 4, draw data rows, and row height is this much. And let me click OK. See? And here you can write anything, whatever you want. For example, make it 0.3, either you can keep it 6, and from here you can just change the area blank and standard, and I will say OK. See? So in this way you can just put data inside the table.